Hey folks, if you're tuning in from Florida, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into something crucial, the Florida Hurricane Tracker. Knowing what's coming can make all the difference, so let's break it down. First off, if you're not already using a hurricane tracker, you're missing out. Real-time updates are a game changer. These trackers give you current information about storm paths, wind speeds, and even projected landfall locations. They're super handy for planning your next move, whether that's evacuating or hunkering down. Now, let's talk about the top apps and websites you should have on your radar. The National Hurricane Center's website is a no-brainer. They've got the latest data straight from the experts. Another great option is the MyRadar app. It's user-friendly and gives you a clear visual of what's happening. And don't forget about the FEMA app. It's packed with emergency tips and alerts. All right, let's move on to safety tips. Number 1, always listen to local authorities. If they tell you to evacuate, don't think twice. Grab your emergency kit and get out of there. Speaking of emergency kits, make sure yours is stocked with essentials: water, non-perishable food, medications, and don't forget those important documents. Next, secure your home. Reinforce windows and doors, and bring in anything that could become a projectile. Trust me, you don't want your patio furniture flying through your living room window. Another tip: have a family communication plan. Know where everyone will be and how you'll stay in contact. And if you've got pets, make sure you have a plan for them too. They're family after all. Now, a quick word on staying informed. Keep your phone charged and have a portable charger ready. Tune in to local news stations and radio for updates. And remember, social media can be a great tool, but always verify information from reliable sources. Lastly, mental prep is just as crucial as physical prep. Hurricanes can be stressful, but staying calm and focused is key. Take deep breaths and follow your plan. All right, folks, there you have it. Keeping track of hurricanes and staying prepared doesn't have to be overwhelming. Use those trackers, listen to the experts, secure your home, and have your emergency kit ready. Keep calm, stay informed, and you'll get through it. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there, Florida. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Catch you next time.